Do you know what is the meaning of water of crystallization? Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. Let's study this through an activity. We have taken few crystals of copper sulfate and water. Heat the dry test tube containing copper sulfate and observe. The color of copper sulfate changes from blue to white, and also you can notice few water droplets in a dry test tube. Now, add a few drops of water on the sample of copper sulfate obtained after heating. You can see the blue color of copper sulfate restored. From this activity, we can conclude that crystals which seem to be dry contain water of crystallization. When we heat the crystals, water is removed. If we moisten the crystals again with water, the crystals reappear.